everyone. So it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I just came home for lunch. I haven't cooked anything in the morning, so I was thinking of what to order, and ultimately I decided to order this veg thali which contained okay food. So let's unpack it. The packet contained chapati, rice, dal, sabzi. It was spicy and also some salad, and there was a jar also kept. I couldn't finish the whole thali, so I left it for evening also. Then I left for my office again, and I was not feeling like going back there. Literally, did not like it. Then came evening, which allowed me to go back home again and spend some quality time with myself. I did some housework and had dinner, and again I started feeling hungry. So, even though I already had dinner, but I still feel hungry somewhere, so I'm going to make Maggi right now because it's the easiest thing that I can do. अभी मेरे पास ये सिर्फ तो टमाटर है और टोकरी भर के प्याज है, तो हाँ, और वेजीज बिल्कुल नहीं है, तो हम इनका यूज़ करके हम मैगी बनाते हैं. सो लेट्स गो. Now comes the fun part, which is packing for tomorrow as I am leaving for Jabalpur. Yay! So packing is done. Now let's go to sleep as we need to go to sleep early. But wait, got 200 views on my last video. I want to dance in happiness. Thank you for the views. Okay. Bye bye. Good night.